Hello everyone, this is Rika. I'm gonna be showing you to this and my animasi. Please your comment to me. This is my cat and this is my animasi. You can comment to me for you to I draw um the little frogs or you can your friend or your character and something about, but mostly is like fox. No problem is the fox is have wings or horn missing. I can draw it again, but please your comment to me for your character is I draw it or your friend is draw it. And do you have some gift for your or like this for a friend is gift for your friend or yourself. It's gonna be beautiful. I draw it, but it's like animations like this. I'm showing it. Okay, that is enough. I gonna and please to comment to me. This is it is so serious. You can female or mouth. You can. Okay. Please to comment and subscribe and like and share this thing for for your friend or you if your friend is want to comment to me. Have the next time. Bye.